Do you also have a common name? Do you always turn back when someone says a similar sound to your name? Then welcome to Kongthong. So this is the whistling village of India, where each and every child has a special tune for the name, created solely from the mother's heart.
It is like a mother's, I don't know how to translate in English. It's like a mother's song or a mother's love song where a mother used to compose tunes for her newborn baby. Like my name is Rother, but a song's name or the jingle your baby which my mother has composed for me since my childhood and which is still remain with me till now is like this.
So this is my home for the night, Kongthong Traveler's Nest. And I have this huge hut which is accommodating actually 3 people, but the night is just me. Just take a look. So it's Christmas Eve today here, that is the 24th of December, and Kongthong seems to be in a merry mood. Just listen to the songs and take in the view. So while I was just shooting around everywhere, my host decided to take me around the village, and this was the first home that I visited. This is a traditional Khasi attire. This is used by women to protect their body and from the cold and of course everything. So this is a look.
Wow.
And this, I don't know, this looks very comfortable and what can I say, smart. And I feel very great in this. Our next stop was into the home of another sweet woman. I ended this beautiful day by sitting beside a bonfire in my own hut and having a bonfire lit dinner. Good morning from Kongthong. Who wouldn't mind waking up to this view? This is clearly my favorite spot in the whole village. A perfect way to end this mesmerizing and enriching stay. Just look at how clear everything is.
Yes, in the beginning because of love and happiness, but when we are grown up, we take this as a mode of communication where we used to call someone. This is the unique of Kongthong.
Kongthong is now finally getting the attention it deserves. It was recently applauded by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, as well as its share of good living conditions and better roads. Kongthong and its people opened their hearts to me, and I'm so grateful for this experience. Khublai Kongthong.